made of that green-colored glass, the same color as the Moss Bottom River that we are sailing upon. So if you get an idea here, you understand how that building is almost supposed to disappear into the river. That contextualist concept is how it merges with this region. So in a little while, we'll be sailing up the South Branch to your left, and on the South Branch on that right-hand side of the West Bank, is 13 sets of railroad tracks. And those railroad tracks, actually, we'll talk about how architects had to avoid them for some creative structural styling. But for now, we'll talk about this building straight ahead, which you see half McDonald's arch at the base, and also at the top of it, 2017. That building is called Riverpoint. That building was completed by Bernard Chilton. And these architects decided to ignore the railroad tracks. So instead, by building this 1.5-acre park over the top of them and building their building behind them, they capped that park with that little red statue they called Constellation. And they made all of these little portholes on the side of it here. You may say, oh, is that some kind of a postmodern look at boats sailing across the river? But actually look again. You'll see within those little portholes, there's actually big blowholes that are blowing the smoke from all those diesel trains getting into that park right in your faces here. We have to thank them for that. Now, Captain John made a turn of the wheel of the boat. I promised you something historical at every turn. At this point, we're going to talk about the historical building, the oldest building you'll see on this tour today. If you look to your left, you'll see an orange brick building that's from 1898 that we call Fulton House by architect Frank Abbott. If you were sailing here in 1898,